Perfect puffing is the signature of a properly cooked chapati. This is the extraordinary journey of chapati, engineered at scale, crafted for everyday life. This is where the journal of India's chapati begins, inside a mega factory designed to feed millions.
The story of every chapati starts here, in vast wheat fields, where quality grain defines the softness and strength of the final chapati.
Mechanized harvesting ensures the wheat destined for chapati production is collected quickly, efficiently, and at peak maturity.
Only selected wheat grains move forward, because uniform grain quality directly impacts chapati texture and consistency.
These silos act as the first control point, preserving wheat quality before it transforms into chapati flour.
Automation minimizes human contact, protecting the hygiene standards required for large-scale chapati manufacturing. Advanced cleaning systems remove even microscopic impurities, ensuring every chapati begins with pure raw material.
At this scale, chapati production demands uninterrupted flow. Any delay here affects thousands of meals.
Transparent transfer systems allow constant monitoring, guaranteeing traceability throughout the chapati production chain. This marks the final moment of raw wheat, before it begins its transformation into India's most essential food, chapati.
To produce uniform chapati flour, wheat passes through precision milling systems engineered for speed and consistency.
This controlled crushing defines the softness of chapati, balancing strength and elasticity in every grain.
Parallel processing lines allow the factory to scale chapati production without compromising quality.
Sealed transport ensures the chapati flour remains untouched by external contaminants.
Sifting refines flour texture, a critical step that determines how evenly chapati cooks on high heat.
Only uniformly ground flour is approved for chapati dough preparation. Precise handling guarantees that every chapati begins with the same flour composition.
At this point, chapati production shifts from raw material handling to controlled formulation.
Real-time monitoring allows engineers to maintain perfect parameters for chapati consistency. This is where chapati flour prepares to become dough, marking the transition from handling to transformation.
Before chapati takes shape, raw materials are transported with absolute precision into controlled mixing systems. Water quality and volume directly influence the softness and puffing behavior of chapati.
This initial binding phase defines the internal structure of every chapati.
Industrial kneading replaces hours of manual labor, delivering consistent chapati dough at high speed.
Proper gluten development ensures chapati remains soft, flexible, and evenly cooked.
Environmental control is essential. Small variations can alter chapati quality.
Once prepared, chapati dough is immediately transferred to prevent moisture loss.
Resting stabilizes the dough, making each chapati easier to shape and cook.
Controlled resting ensures uniform fermentation behavior across millions of chapati units.
Now, the chapati dough is ready to receive its final form. Before shaping begins, chapati dough passes through strict quality control protocols. Elasticity testing ensures each chapati will roll evenly without tearing.
Uniform thickness is essential for even heat distribution during chapati cooking.
Automated cutting guarantees identical size and shape for every chapati.
Clean edges prevent uneven puffing and surface cracking in chapati.
Quality rejection protects chapati consistency while minimizing material waste. Only verified chapati units advance to the cooking stage. Surface hydration ensures soft texture and proper puffing during baking. The preparation ends as chapati transitions from shaping to heat. This is the final checkpoint before chapati meets fire.
Chapati cooking begins inside high-temperature systems designed for speed, control, and uniform heat.
This rapid heat contact initiates the internal steam that allows chapati to puff. Precision flipping ensures both sides of chapati receive equal exposure.
Perfect puffing is the signature of a properly cooked chapati. Controlled heat locks in softness while preventing dryness. Controlled heat locks in softness while preventing dryness. Color calibration guarantees that every chapati meets visual and taste expectations. Automation allows thousands of chapati to be cooked every minute. Gradual cooling preserves texture and prevents condensation. Cooking is complete. Chapati now enters its final journey. Cooking is complete. Chapati now enters its final journey. Automated counting ensures every chapati pack delivers exact quantity. Traceable labeling allows every chapati to be tracked back to its production line. Final inspections confirm that each chapati package meets safety and quality standards. Cold storage preserves chapati freshness until distribution. Large-scale storage allows uninterrupted supply across regions. Efficient logistics move chapati from factory to market at remarkable speed. From mega factory to household kitchens, chapati completes its industrial journey. This is the extraordinary journey of chapati, engineered at scale, crafted for everyday life.